Pixelers! Grab your pencils and paper because today we're going to draw this cute kawaii flower. For this drawing, we'll need colored pencils black, dark green, light green, pink, and lilac. This drawing is 25 squares tall and 15 squares wide. Let's start with the black color and skip 6 squares from left to right. In square number 7, mark 3 horizontally. Bottom left 1. Bottom left 2 horizontally. Top left 1. Bottom left 2 vertically. Bottom left 7 vertically. Bottom right 2 diagonally. From this square, go down 1. Bottom left 8 vertically. Bottom right 1. From this square, down and to the right 1. Bottom right 2 vertically. Bottom right 8 vertically. Bottom left 1. From this square to the right 1. Top right 1. Bottom right 2 vertically. Bottom right 7 vertically. Bottom left 2 diagonally. From this square, down and to the right 3 horizontally. From this square, down 5 horizontally. From this square, up 3 horizontally. In this row, count 2 from left to right and below mark 9 vertically. Bottom right 1. Top right 9 horizontally. In this row, count 3 from top to bottom, and to the left mark 1. Top left 4 horizontally. From this square, go down 3 vertically. Bottom right 1. Bottom right 3 horizontally. In this row, count 3 from top to bottom, and to the right mark 1. Top right 4 horizontally. From this square, go down 3 vertically. Bottom left 1. Bottom left 3 horizontally. From this square, skip 4 squares upward and mark 2 vertically. From this square, skip 3 squares to the right and mark 2 vertically. Now, let's color in all the squares we marked. I'd like to invite you to join the Pixeler Club. To do that, all you have to do is subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and that's it. Now, let's take the pink color and from this square down mark 2 horizontally. From this square down 2 horizontally. And color it in. Now take the black color again, and from this square down and to the right 1. Bottom right 1. Top right 1. And color it in. Now, let's continue with the dark green, and here we're going to mark 1. Top left 2 diagonally. Here mark 1. Top right 2 diagonally. And color it in. Now take the lighter green and let's color the leaves and stem area. Now let's take the lilac color and mark these edges and color in all these areas. And that's how our drawing turned out today. If you like it, don't forget to support the video with a super pixelated like. And if you made it to this part of the video, comment with the flower emojis. Thank you so much, Pixelers, for being here in another video. Sending you a kiss and a huge hug full of love from my pixelated heart. I'm Paito, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!